Buddy.
Police, wake up.
Hey, there you go.
Time to get
Hey,
up.
police, wake up.
Stop that shit now. Let's go. Off the bus.
Come on, dude.
Let's go. Stop fucking resisting. Stop.
Number 138, I'll be going out there, 98.
On May 31, 2018, recently Sergeant promoted B. Burke was training the rookie officer, Rislin. In San Francisco, police responded to a call regarding a person asleep at the rear of a Muni city bus. Dispatch indicated that the individual was not believed to be armed. What followed was a sequence of events that led the individual to later file a complaint against the officers.
Hey, police.
Police, wake up.
Time to
Yo.
Hey,
Buddy.
police, wake up.
Hey, there you go.
Time to get
Hey,
up.
police, wake up.
Number 200, the 13 out of 70.
Come on.
Check.
There you go, wake
Hey,
up.
stop that shit now. Let's go. Off the bus.
Come on, dude.
Let's go.
on, bro.
Let's
Are you
go.
coming? You coming?
Get up. Hey! Stop fucking resisting. Stop resisting.
Going in handcuffs then.
Stop resisting.
Bruh, really,
Do not
nigga?
pull. Yeah. Don't pull away from us. Get up when we tell you to get up. Let's go.
Come on. Go. Walk.
Bro,
Edward 11, David,
stop playing with me, my nigga.
Get the up.
Stop playing with me, my nigga.
Come on, dude. We're not doing this.
Stop, bro.
No.
Bro, stop. What the is your problem?
Come on, dude.
How many times you gotta tell you? Edward 11, David, we're gonna need a weapon unit use of force.
Get this door open.
Face, bro. Please.
Edward 11, David, start forward.
Hey, do you want to do handcuffs really quick, Bert?
Yes, please help, please, please. Please. Please help, please. Please, please.
Go. Come on. Crawl or do something. Come on, get off this bus.
Stand up.
Okay, please.
Go.
Please. Okay, come on, please let me.
Stand up. On your feet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jesus Christ.
Could you please slow down, please, 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 please.
Sit down right here.
Yes, sir.
I got a
Yes,
water
sir.
bottle
Yes,
in the
sir.
car. I'm going to go grab that.
Sit down.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sit
sir.
down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Legs out in front of you.
Yes, sir. My eyes are burning. Over 11 2, code 4. We have one in handcuff. You can slow down units. Going to the 408. Average surveillance deployed.
Copy. You have a 410 to 408 to Jackson and Webster. Units responding to Jackson with 148 split on your response. They have morning cuffs. They have split on response. They have morning cuffs. Dispatch 3
Yeah, fine.
confirm you
What
are
do I do?
Lean over.
Okay.
Ready? You good? I'm good. Hey, weapons on you?
No, sir. No, sir. I swear to God. No.
45 Charlie 197 with 11 days.
Could you please pour some more water over our eyes?
Lean over. Lean over.
Hold on,
The
hold on.
ambulance coming.
Okay. Number 138, I'll be going out there, 98.
The individual to later file a complaint against the officers, alleging that excessive force had been used. The investigation determined, based on a preponderance of the evidence, that Sergeant B.B. violated both the individual's rights and Department General Order 5.0, of the San Francisco Police Department. As a result, he received a 3-day unpaid suspension and was required to complete additional training on DGO 5.01 and his responsibilities as a field training officer. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record weekly.